My lord, item number 11, 12, 13, 14, all are similar matters. And there was an earlier direction by your lordships that this should be taken up together. Lordship stayed the impugned notice and directed to file an affidavit in opposition by the Madrasa Commission. My lord, today, just now, the affidavit has been affirmed. Now it is yet to be served. May I pray this so that
What is the predicament in affirming the earlier date? What is this?
should have been? But only thing is that my lord, there are another bunch of matters within identical points where before the honorable
My lord,
justice,
I am appearing on behalf of the petitioner, my lord. Pardon me. I am appearing on behalf of the petitioner in item number 13, my lord. Pardon me, my lord. Due to my medical condition, I am unable to go there, my lord.
No issue.
Gopal, I need to
11 and 12 have been tagged together.
well, there are earlier orders also. Lordship may kindly see that order dated 17th of January 25.
Para 6.
Yes, paragraph 6.
কোনটা বলছি?
13 টা tag করতে হবে।
The WPA 11 and 12 have been tagged together.
My lord, 13 and 14 also tagged together, my lord. Kindly see the 17th January 2025 order passed in, my lord, 2609 090 of 2025.
That is 14. Item 14,
14.
order dated
identical matter, two identical matter, my lord. That is tagged together, my lord, and my lord passed this order on 17 January, my lord.
paragraph 6 of the order.
Review application. Review algorithm back লিখে রাখুন সিভিল ডিভিশন মানে এই ছোড়া ওই আন্ডার দি হেডিং ওই রিভিউ পিটিশন কি বলেছি না রিভিউ পিটিশন উইদিন ব্র্যাকেট সিভিল ডিভিশন দেখি কি অর্ডার বলছেন দেখান তো
Lordship, kindly take item number 14, 13 or 14, both.
প্যারাগ্রাফ নাম্বার
6.
Paragraph 6, order dated 17th of January.
it was directed to be listed along with such and such,
Yes,
not tagged together. There was no tagging order.
correct.
There is a tracking.
Earlier, there was a coordinate bench order. Gopal handed over the earlier coordinate bench order. There are four matters mentioned in earlier coordinate bench order, my lord.
My lord, in any case,
Order
these are
dated
My lord, 29th October 2024. My lord will find item number 13.
In item number 13, my lord, there is a specific order in coordinate bench, my lord. I believe my junior will hand it over, my lord.
Order dated 29 October 2024.
বললেন এসব
The last
এক
paragraph.
করবে জানো অর্ডার বুক আলাদা করো নাহলে অসুবিধা হচ্ছে 29
October 2024. My lord, order dated.
Handed over the order.
My lord, may I hand over? So it is marked.
যাতা কাণ্ড in WPA
My lord, 2623.
6090.
My lord, may I hand over the order, my lord, for your my
please give it
lord, oh, my lord, it is marked, my lord.
no it's all
Madam.
অর্ডারটা দিয়ে কি করছে না ট্যাগিং অর্ডারের কথা বলছেন
একসঙ্গে আছে, ওটাই আছে, ওটার মধ্যেই চারটে আছে।
26237 ও এইটাতে অর্ডারটা আছে Yes, there's an order for tagging.
Yes, my lord.
Very good.
My lord, may I say only one
My
thing?
lord, kindly see the second page by mentioning the case number, my lord.
My lord, in fact, the opposition
Yes.
filed by the Madrasa Commission in item number 13, my lord, that can be used for the other matters also. There are two oppositions which have been affirmed today itself. Here and now, my lord, I am serving to my learned advocate. Now,
Item number 13.
13. Because, my lord,
It's
one
my matter, my
may be
lord.
taken up subject to, my lord, consent of my learned friends. One matter may be taken up as a lead matter because the point of law, whatever will
Yes,
happen
yes.
in one matter, that will follow to other matters.
And my lord, I want to file reply in this regard, my lord.
Not
Kindly
all.
keep.
Give me a second, sir. Please.
Sorry,
Your
my
friend is
I'm
making a
extremely sorry.
submission.
There is some bunch of matters before your lordships.
4 matters.
Yes, there are 4 matters.
And there is an order for tagging
There is
Yes.
order of fact
because of the identical
Correct.
nature of the cases.
Now today what I am praying is, let one matter be taken up by an order of your lordships as a lead matter. Now if they propose for any particular matter, I have no difficulty. I propose it may be item 13, so that it would be convenient for all of us to refer respective pages at the time of hearing. I also have one small submissions. The other bunch of matters on identical point were also before the Honorable Justice Amrita Sinha. Well, this matter relates to a recruitment process of madrasa starting from 2010. For a long period span over about 10 years, the law relating to madrasa commissions was declared to be ultra vires. So the recruitment process was started when we were intra vires. Calcutta High Court declared it to be ultra vires, initially single bench. The Honorable Division Bench affirmed plus declared even some other provisions to be ultra vires. Went before the Honorable Supreme Court. There was a stay. Ultimately, the Honorable Supreme Court set aside the single bench and the division bench of the Calcutta High Court. After setting aside, now we have whatever we started. So that is the resurrections and completions. So it has, in fact, I have been roped in also very latest. It has a, I would say, the complexity of facts and other things in this matter. And as a counsels, I have felt that there are two sides of the matter, and there is a possibility that one view is a more appropriate, one would be less appropriate. Appearing for the commission, my lord, I would try to be as neutral as possible, and I would place all the cards, because contention of the petitioners would be that no, there should be less number of candidates who should be in the zone of considerations. The action of the commission was that we made a mistake for which 73,000 would be affected. Now, if your lordship feels no, that no, they remain affected, we may not include them. In any case, entirety has been stopped because of your lordship's interim order. All I am praying that would your lordships kindly keep the matter on a particular date, and in the meantime, so that my learned friend can use the affidavit in reply.
So you intend to file affidavit in opposition in item number 13?
I have filed the affidavit.
Yes,
in
no, I want to
It
file
has
a
been taken on record.
today, lordship
reply
You
in
are
this
going to
regard.
file.
yes, and
It will be
lordship,
treated as an affidavit in opposition in respect of the
All
item
the
number
Kindly, my lord, extend the time to file the affidavit in reply.
10, 11 and
but I am, may I say this? But I am filing the affidavit in item 13 and 14. Now, separate.
Very good.
Basically, contentions are same. Now, the same may be taken to be my oppositions for the other matters also.
So, so far the affidavit in opposition in item number 13 or 14 are concerned,
Yes,
those are identical.
those are all matters are identical. It
Then
is,
why have filed two separate affidavit of opposition?
But in item number 13, there is an additional point that is why.
Well,
On last occasion, they have mentioned.
what I understand is the fundamental point is identical. There may be some slightly cosmetic differences.
Very good. Take down. Which opposition?
In item number 12.
Item number 12, there are
আমাদের এগুলো আগে
very good. What are the
এটা দেখ
cans for in item number 12?
মানে 12 মানে I have, because it's a fundamental point. So far as addition part, there is an affidavit in
So,
opposition
একটা কাজ
also.
করা
by-
যাক। এটা নিয়ে নাও যে at the time of hearing order for tagging was passed in item number 14 or 15? 13. At the time of hearing,
about 14 years, there was some opposition filed. I prayed that a comprehensive affidavit may be allowed to be filed by me, and that was allowed. And that was the order on 31st of January. Now, I am for the respondent. I don't have much role, but I would be requesting, because now for the identical issue, if two honorable courts, then there is every likelihood the fate of my lord, the thousands of candidates should they should not, because they already faced my lord lot of difficulties. So I just felt that the whole energy by both the sides should put in before one honorable court. And for that, if there is anything required to be done on our part, my lord, we are absolutely fine with that.
so what would be your submission? Identical matters are there. No, it's not
That was
assigned.
also no. This
It
was
is
also
assigned.
this is the difficult. It was assigned, and those were also assigned. It's not that otherwise would not have been any difficulty. Now we cannot take a partisan thing, because I have requested my learned friends that if you can talk to the petitioner's advocate.
So why are not approaching the Honorable the Chief Justice for
That I was
that is-
thinking of. For approach
We have
can
to
be
write
done
a-
by the petitioner's advocate with consultation with
either by this bench or that bench?
Now, we are agreeable to that. Only little nudge of your lordships would be required, nothing else. So that the Honorable Chief Justice decide a particular bench, and that bench decides the matter in entirety.
My lord, I was appearing for the petitioner.
Mr. Dhar is submitting that some identical matters are pending before a coordinate bench. And that matter has been assigned to that bench, and this matter has been assigned to this bench.
My lord, these matters have been assigned to your lordship. My lord, your lordship may very kindly take it up, because your lordship has been pleased to pass previous orders
No,
in the matter.
No, those are interlocutory orders, Mr.
Very
Those
well.
are
Very well. That,
ultimately-
not those,
Mr. Dhar is absolutely right. If two contrary orders are to be passed, that will be a mess.
But while saying
Then we
so,
have
I
to-
don't want to give an impression as if I want to run away from your lordships.
No, that I have understood.
I just want to say that the candidates must know their fate with certainty. Even if something is, because it's a coordinate bench.
Milord, I shall personally try to have a word with Mr. Dhar. Lordship will kindly keep it tomorrow. We
That
shall
would be
come back to your lordship, Milord, tomorrow. Milord, with the straight instructions as to what we propose to do. I shall take instructions from Mr. Dhar.
I have indicated my clients, so their answer would be yes, agreeable to whatever petitioner's advocates feels that. We are absolutely fine either with your lordships or before the honorable.
Ultimately, since my learned senior, Mr. Pratik Dhar, is making this submission, Milord, I request my lord to kindly adjourn the matter till tomorrow, Milord. We shall come back to your lordship.
Only tomorrow I may have.
ওইটা তো হলো তো ওই যেখানে আমি বললাম না let the matter be listed as to ওইখানে ওইটা আগে একটা প্যারাগ্রাফ আছে at this juncture Mr. Dhar, learned senior counsel appearing on behalf of the Madrasa Service Commission and its functionaries has handed over a server copy of the order dated 31/1/2025 as passed in WPA 24588 of 2024 with WPA 29253 of 2024. It is submitted by Mr. Thor that the 4 petitions which are pending before this court and the aforementioned 2 petitions which are pending before a coordinate bench are identical in nature. Stop. It is further submitted by Mr. Thor that the said 2 petitions being WPA যেটা বললাম and WPA number such and such, ওই যে 24588 and 29253 have been assigned to the coordinate bench. And the 4 petitions have been assigned to this bench. Mr. Dhol, under senior counsel, submits that in order to avoid chance of passing conflicting judgment, it would be appropriate that all the matters be placed before a particular bench. Such being the position, the part is given to the parties to approach the Honorable Chief Justice.
We don't intend to, kindly keeps it tomorrow.
For assignment.
Kindly keeps it tomorrow,
If his lordship so chooses.
Kindly keep.
Let the matter be listed on that. Let the matter be listed. যেটা বলে দিয়েছি আগে বলেছি সেটাই থাকবে। তারপর একটা লিখে দেবে টু ডেট for awaiting appropriate order from the Secretariat of the Honorable Chief Justice.
This little nudge of your lordships would be helpful for all of us. Because
Today
while
for-
writing letter,
For awaiting order from the Secretariat of the Honorable Chief Justice.
because now it will not be an impression that any of
No,
the
I am not releasing this matter.
I
I am fixing
understand.
in this
I
matter.
clearly understand. Now the Honorable Chief
একটা
Justice
কাজ
would-
করবে কি ওই ক্যানটাকে না ক্যানটাকে রেখে দেবে যে আমি ডেটটা ফিক্স করছি
there is a likelihood that because of this order, all matters might come before your lordship. Yes, whatever the Honorable Chief Justice feels.
My lord is kind enough to keep it, Milord.
I'm fixing. একটু দেখা যাও তো 25th ফেব্রুয়ারি কিছু আছে দুপুর 12টার সময় করলেন 25th ফেব্রুয়ারি 25th February 12 o'clock noon.
Yes.
Yes, your lord.
Milord, I am unable to hear your lordship, Milord. Your lordship, I shall ascertain from my instructing advocate, Milord. I shall ascertain from my instructing advocate.
25th February at 12 o'clock noon as a specially fixed matter.
12 o'clock.
I'm grateful to your lordship.
Deeply obliged.
থাক
Order বলা আছে
আমাদের দিয়ে ঠিক আছে